what is going on? Yeah, I didn't vlog all week because it's been a crazy hectic week because of school, and I'm finally officially done school until May 2nd when I'm in my nursing program. But it's like 1 o'clock right now and I am feeling so nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach. I have nervous shit, like too much information. Like, I just feel so nervous because I am going to Jamaica for a week to see Ziggy, and I'm so nervous. Every time I'm gonna see him, like, I just always get so nervous, like goosebumps in my belly, goosebumps in my belly, wow. Butterflies in my belly. It's been like almost it's gonna be 3 years this year, and I still get this feeling. We're just texting each other and he's just like so excited and I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's kind of a short trip, but everything counts, right? So I'm supposed to be leaving my house at 3. I'm gonna leave my house at 3. No, I'm leaving my house at 2:15, so I'm leaving like in like an hour, because my flight's at 6. Wait, it departs at 5 something, and you know you gotta be there like 2 hours before, because I live pretty far from the airport, so I'm making sure I'm there on time. And yeah, so I still can't believe this right now. I'm gonna try to vlog depending on how I feel, because right now I feel really tired and lousy, but I'll see if I can vlog at the airport. But I don't do nothing at the airport. I don't really like vlogging too much at the airport. And yeah, I'm on a connecting flight, so I'm going from Toronto to Miami, but I'm only gonna be there for an hour, which is not bad, thank you Jesus. So we'll see how it goes. I'll tune in, and yes, I'm gonna be vlogging. Obviously, if you see this vlog, that means I'm gonna be vlogging, and hopefully I can upload them while I'm out there. And yeah, so I'll tune back in. I'm gonna plug my camera back into charge right now and finish doing what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys just now.
Job squad, right? Knockings. I know this a vlog I call surprise. I know the moment that surprise, I'll give you an idea different. So Nisha come in today and he not even know say oh me I come pick her up. Because I tell her say I'm my sister. I go pick her up. But then I go make a nigga yassa. Go they go pick her up like say oh I drive the car, but you don't know me at the party side I go and hide out. No. Yeah, so the palm we are good on still. So I go through some of the bush and so pick her up and now see what I got. So I know I call a period enough all the idea and patient. Yeah. Cheap chop with the funny move. Russian the funny move. I feel the Russian and make me just run and just grab him back and say, "Girl, give me this." We're gonna cut grass here, so. You see me? Yo, the bar the right, that's the man. Right off of that part, that's the bar.
What camera do you use?
Sony A5000.
Okay.
Guys, I'm actually fucking annoyed right now because I thought I was vlogging and I wasn't. I just touched down in Jamaica and I'm here with another YouTuber. We're both like vlogging.
How awesome is that? I'm super excited. I'm actually here for a wedding.
Are you really?
Yeah.
And I'm here for vacation.
And
You guys
she's
know.
on vacay.
Yeah, wait, what's your YouTube again?
It's Janita Blue.
Janita Blue, so I'm gonna list it down below. Make sure you guys check her out. She models as well, and she vlogs. You know, you gotta support the other YouTubers. I'm hot and I'm dying, so.
Hi.
What the fuck, Ziggy?
Wait.
What do you mean, why? Are you stupid? Why'd you do that? Dad. Why'd you do that?
Do it.
Well, you just did. It's not funny. I thought you were picking me up. Got it.
I leave all slippers in.
Bro, my stomach.
Guys, look who I'm with. Starboy. And we get George in the back. Yes, I'm back in Jamaica. About to get some food. I need food in my belly like right now. Anything.
Alright, then it's alright, son. Alright, then it's alright.
So guys, I am in Jamaica. Surprise! Look, my shirt is like stretched out and falling off of me. But anyways, you guys are probably gonna cuss me and say, how come I didn't tell you guys I was coming? But you know, your girl like to surprise y'all, you know, because you gotta expect the unexpected. That's like my new little line thing. But yeah, I'm here. And honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't gonna vlog this trip. I was just gonna enjoy my week here with Ziggy, but I'll see how it goes and see if I'll vlog or not, like depending on whatever. Ziggy's come back to the car right now. But yeah, I'm here with my Ziggy bear. Why does he have to stick around his shirt still? What?
Oh yeah.
What am I doing?
I have to put my Wi-Fi.
Ziggy, why do you have to stick around your shirt still?
Wait.
On over there, the S.
Wait.
Under the A. Ziggy bear! Huh? Can you say hi? You're not gonna say hi?
I say a long time.
Lie.
But you don't know what I'm going. Move that.
No, say please.
Move that now.
Say please. You're so rude.
Yeah, talk about the school line AC.
The AC's off. What are you doing? This idiot. So we're about to surprise my mom right now. She doesn't know I'm here. She thinks I'm still in Canada, and she calls Ziggy and saying how she's calling me and she's not getting me. She's in the back. She's right here. What's up? Let me see, just close your hair.
You guys get me this time, didn't you?
Yeah. Someone just called me. Oh, what's up?
You're good.
But look what daddy.
Known.
Look what daddy and everyone lied to you. Did you call daddy?
I agree.
Yo, I should have known because you only come here when Nisha comes. You only come here when Nisha comes.
I knew you were gonna say that, you know.
I'm saying the truth.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Feel my heart. I had no idea.
That's why we're in the room, and when I thought Daddy blew it. But you said.
He said August.
Yeah. Cause last night I'm like she doesn't know. She doesn't know.
How long you come for?
Only a week. Like 10 days, cause I have school.
Really, come here. Really, I'm a little friend. You met her before?
I don't know.
Nisha, you remember Nisha?
Oh yeah. Hi.
Yeah, she just come and she never told me. She surprised me. You don't know this one? Yeah, my oldest child. Yeah.
Hi.
Thank you. Say hi, Mimi. This is my little Mimi. Say hi to the bloggers.
Camera shy.
Huh?
Camera shy. It was Ziggy's idea.
As usual, you take over my big day now. Usually I get the airport pickups and I get the airport drop off.
No, we had to surprise you one time.
You did. Let me see your ice cream, yo. Thank you, baby.
Hi guys.
Which
good
one I carry?
morning.
Which one I
The car
carry?
we drove last night to hide. You say good morning?
Morning, people, morning.
So anyways guys, we're about to do a little prank on you have it in your hand. Z told me to grab the camera. I told him it to me, but we're about to give these kids some Warhead candies. Hold on. Nisi, come here now. You're not gonna eat it? It's open. You're gonna make it drop.
Mine drop over.
Eat it. Come here now. So you spit out your gum. Go spit out your gum. Let you're spitting on your nose. Let's see, you know you're like a bad breed, you know. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
No, I'm asking you. How are you? Eat it now. Go spit out your gum. No, why you dash it? Why'd you dash it? You don't like it? Why? It tastes nice. Ziggy, you're so... Seriously, I thought you give him one.
Let me see it.
No! Why'd you do that, Nisi? Did he go in the dirt? He went in the dirt?
Come here. Ah! What? Ah!
Yeah. That one's still licking his finger. Watch him.
That chichi girl, good. First, me go give you one sweetie. But you see, if you bite it, me go war.
Take out the package. No, take out the package.
I want to know where you can tell how it tastes. You have 4 different tastes. So you have sweet, sour, and bitter taste. But the sweet one come off us and then you taste the sour.
Ready.
You ready? Go ahead.
Slow up.
It tastes like...
Pick up.
How did it taste?
Alright, go ahead again.
Freeze. Be careful, rotten.
Not to eat it. Don't eat it if you don't want it.
That is fresh.
After you take off all the sourness, it tastes fresh. Dash it. You can dash it.
How it tastes now? It's sweet,
Hey!
or it's sour?
No, it has like a bitter taste after.
Yes, bitter. One.
Come in, chichi
Guys,
man.
I'm here chilling. I'm freaking tired. I haven't slept for like 2
Go try one of
days.
them.
Just pull up this guy's here.
I'm gonna talk to you now. Okay.
And here organizing some clothes. Oh, you finally got your hair cut?
We have 3 different tastes. Called sour and warhead then.
Sourhead.
That is should name. I'm gonna like have some.
Can we go put one in Shamil's mouth while she's sleeping?
Yes. Come back here first. Such a guy saying get bitter, sweet, and sour. Tell me how you get.
Yeah, super.
Come pull it. Look how long your mother said I go chin my ear.
I was funny. Well, they go at 10, somebody.
So you ain't say a 7 or 10?
No.
Eh?
No.
Yeah, original. Original.
But he wants to take it out, you know.
Give me.
Yeah, what?
Ow, flip.
Yeah, what?
That.
Everything
That
you
was a
want.
fail.
Everything you
I thought you said you didn't like it. Give it to Ron. Ron didn't get one. What's your... You like it? You don't like it? You like it or you don't like it? You like it? You put it back in his phone.
I want to give the go to.
Is it sour? So if you don't like it, go spit it out. Now your hands are gonna be sticky.
Do I want more?
You said
One more. One more.
what?
One more.
You don't even like it. You dash it away.
I
Yo,
Ah,
yeah,
true.
like.
Rapper. You going out there? Grab it?
One now.
Or can you do it in the washroom?
I think that's a feeling.
Up to you.